Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. You are looking at a triple trunk ribbon palm. This is our first opportunity to do a video after the tree was planted and after it was untied. I think we've got videos while we were planting it and videos and pictures while it was tied. We have now untied this tree, and you can see what an absolutely stunning piece of work this is. Now, this tree is planted on the 18th tee box at the Champions Gate golf course. We've been hired to beautify this entire golf course, and we're doing it one hole at a time, one section of one hole at a time. But take a look at that beautiful tree. Slow growing, disease free, cold hardy, the perfect palm tree for Florida. So take a look at this and then give us a call and order yours, and we'll get it in right away for you.